everyone, as you know, we ordered a giant bottle of sugar-free pumpkin spice Torani to do some fun recipes with. Today, I want to show you the most requested video we've had that I finally have time to do, and I wanted to wait till I had pumpkin spice to do it, how we make lower carb cold coffees at home. For our cold coffee, this has been a lot of trial and error of finally figuring out what worked best for me. For you, when you're trying it, start out with smaller portions of the heavy whipping cream and the syrup, or just skip either one and trying it without each ingredient. If you do it without the heavy whipping cream, then with using the almond milk, it is completely dairy free. So you can try it either way, but like I said, this is what I have found that I personally like when making cold coffee. So what we're going to be adding is 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of the Torani pumpkin pie syrup, half a cup of vanilla almond milk, and literally finishing off a regular size glass. I don't even know how big this is. It's just a regular size glass. It is bigger than my tumbler is, like my coffee tumbler. And we're just going to finish the rest of it off with cold coffee. I've tried it with cold brew coffee, and I'm not a huge fan of cold brew coffee. I found that if I add the heavy whipping cream and the syrup, I don't mind it literally just being hot brewed coffee that's cold now. So that's the way that we're going to do it this time. And we're going to pour it all in and mix it up. Here's what it looks like once my 11-year-old has everything all mixed up, because she has mastered being able to do this and wanted to make my first pumpkin spice cold coffee for me. So let's give it a try. And it is absolutely delicious. It is amazing. Again, if you don't like it as sweet, try it with starting with only 1 tablespoon of the pumpkin pie syrup, and try it with 1 tablespoon of the heavy whipping cream. But I like the heavy whipping cream texture to it because it makes it a little bit thicker of a consistency all the way through. I did also have to switch back to the Food City for this video, or the Full Circle brand vanilla almond milk, because unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I should specify that. It is unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You can do it with the regular almond milk if you want to, and if you don't have unsweetened vanilla almond milk available, just add like a small amount of vanilla to your drink if you want. I like it. Another thing that you can do, I have it right here beside it. If you do not have vanilla flavored almond milk and the unsweetened, Torani makes a vanilla and a French vanilla. I prefer the French vanilla. The French vanilla for me just has a better flavor and tastes less artificial. The other reason I like it, as a little bonus fact, is this is what I use when we make homemade Cool Whip. And for Thanksgiving this year, we are making, if we can buy the heavy whipping cream and it's not out of stock at Thanksgiving, all of our Cool Whip will be 100% made from home with French vanilla Torani and heavy whipping cream. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.